Hey y'all, welcome back to the Artsy Studio. Today's the big day. Today is the big day. First stream is happening today. Yeah, first stream is happening today. I'm pretty excited. Like I feel like we've had so much of a buildup for so freaking long. And you know, I just feel kind of ready at this point. Perfect time for the trash truck to be going around. Right when I press record, it's trash time. I have like a studio of junk to clean up. I don't think I have to like super clean because I don't want to set this sort of like standard for the streams where it's like neat and tidy and perfect because that's just not how I am. So I want to make sure that like these first few streams really are just natural for me so that there's no sort of standards that people kind of get used to where I can't keep them up. Anyway, I want to clean a little bit, like get my coffee cup out of here. There's some things I want to set up, like the extension cords and kind of like figure things out. Also, you're on my other camera and I think I'm going to switch cameras to this one and have my other like bigger Canon camera. This is what you're normally on. I think I'm going to switch though to my Fujifilm camera that I used to film vlogs on for these studio videos. That way the settings that I have to mess around with for the stream on that camera just kind of stay there and I don't have to like move settings around all the time. And I was having problems with this camera, but I just reset all the settings and it fixed it. So I don't know what was making it not be able, I couldn't change like the brightness, the ISO. I just said ISO, the ISO. The ISO. I'm sorry for any photographers. So yeah, we're gonna have studio vlogs on this camera and then stream will be on the other camera and I think that'll be really good. I have everything charged and ready to go. Did my nails because having nails just makes me feel like myself. Anyway, what hour we got? It's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. right now. So yeah, that means we got 5 hours. I just wish it was happening like right now. Like I feel like I'm ready right now. Should I wear this hat? Maybe then I won't like fuss with my hair so much. Okay. Oh, by the way, I have to keep this hat because when I was cutting the stabilizer off, I cut a hole in it. Really good stuff. Anyway, we're gonna get started. Setting up for the stream. Like, can you believe that we're finally here? We're finally setting up for the stream. We are finally setting, what? That's crazy. Well, we were talking about this like forever ago when I was in that other space. Hey y'all, it's the next day. First stream is in the books.
What's the lowest amount you would have to be paid to like drink an entire jar of mayonnaise? I would do it for like a few thousand. 1,000? Yeah, about $5. Entire jar? What's the time limit?
It feels really good to have finally gone for it. Because I feel like we've been talking about it. I've been talking about this for years. And I feel like what always got me like caught up and not doing it was that not everything was gonna be perfect. And it's so hard for me to do things when I know that they're not gonna be like what I want them to be right away. And I know that's like the most annoying thing ever, believe me. But it was so fun. It was so different to what I thought it was gonna feel like for some reason. I don't know why. I felt like I mean, for one thing, for some reason, I thought no one would show up. Not that I don't believe y'all when you say that you're gonna show up. It was just like, you know, my own head being like, you're gonna be a big fat loser and everyone's gonna point and laugh. So yeah, for one thing, There were, I can't remember like what the highest number was. I think somebody said like 90 something was the highest. So many of y'all showed up. It's a little bit ridiculous of you. It's a little bit ridiculous of you, okay, if I'm being totally honest. It was just really cool. It was so cool to like be able to chat with you, and I was so worried about like, what am I gonna say? Like the seconds before I switched from the, stream is starting screen to like my camera, I like took a couple of seconds before pressing that button. I was like, okay, what am I gonna say? What am I gonna say? All right, what are we gonna say? What are we saying? What was the script? No, the moment that I started, like I put the camera on and like stepped in the camera, any kind of script I came up with in my mind prior to this just completely disappeared, and I feel like y'all, I don't know, y'all made me feel so comfortable and so like normal and just myself. It was just really cool. It was like, I don't know. And y'all were helping me like kind of troubleshoot some things. Like there are definitely some things that we're going to continue to troubleshoot in those streams, like the audio. I have some ideas. I've been literally like thinking about how I'm going to fix the audio, and like there's like a music issue where I can't play. My original plan was I was gonna play music from Chill Hop, which is, I don't know how to explain it actually, but they allow you to use their music as long as you like credit them properly, which I have done to the best of my knowledge. I think I have. Yeah, anyway, I was playing that music, which was fine, but I couldn't like play it as its own source so that y'all, it was like playing for you. I had to play it through my laptop. Main problem that I discovered yesterday, like day of. I don't know how I didn't like test this prior. It just fell through the cracks. I don't know. MacBooks, not allowed to download Spotify. Just another reason that I shouldn't have got this laptop. But, so like if I could have downloaded Spotify, I could have added it. I'm so sorry if you don't care about this stuff. I could have added it to OBS as its own audio source. So, but some of y'all were saying that I can play some music. Sorry, I've done nothing with myself. Today's like laundry day and stuff. So yeah, some of y'all were saying that I can play music from YouTube. I'm a little iffy on that because I haven't like researched it, and I know that Chill Hop is like good, and it's like kind of the music, exactly the music that I was looking for. It's like lo-fi, just super chill music, which is exactly what I wanted. So I don't know, I'm gonna probably have to look into some stuff. It's hard to do too because my stream schedule that I am absolutely sticking to is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I have like one day in between and then the weekends. So it might not be fixed like overnight, to the next stream, like it's going to be perfectly fixed. But yeah, I'm going to look into it. I really feel like I have to just continually thank Paradox. If you were there, Paradox Punk is my first moderator, my first mod, and I like met her yesterday morning. Like I found her messages and like offering to be a mod. What the hell? She honestly came out of nowhere and just like saved my life. I feel like she was so helpful and continues to be the most like wonderful person. I don't know, just offering like everything, offering all of this help so sweetly and so understanding and so like patient with me while I'm like, what am I doing? I don't understand Discord. It was fun. It was definitely fun. I can't believe that I waited so long to do it because I feel like it really fits me. It really fits like how I like to produce content. I'm not, I guess was I saying this in the stream or not? I can't remember. I was saying somewhere that I'm not like good at planning content. I like to just kind of like hang out, I'm kind of just like, I like to make stuff. I like to hang out and be chill and chat and, and I feel like this is exactly, streaming is exactly what I was looking for. I was just, had to get over that hurdle of like, the hurdle in my mind of, I'm going to be live. And my mind always makes things so much worse than it turns out to be. So I'm such a socially awkward person, and I'm so nervous about like people things, and yet the thing that I feel most drawn to, you know, like career-wise, is people. Like, just like putting myself out there for people. And yeah, I don't know why that is, but it was so fun. Anyway, so if you didn't catch the first stream, so actually, it is a VOD. It is a VOD that you can watch now on my Twitch channel. So I'll link my Twitch channel in its own link from now on so that it's like easier for people to find down in the description. But since I'm not affiliated or partnered with Twitch right now, the VODs only last 7 days. So you have 7 days from when I, you know, finished the VOD to go watch it. Since I played some of ChillHop's music during the stream, I did reach out to them just to like clarify that I can post those videos, those VODs onto YouTube. And, you know, I just want to credit them properly so that nothing gets flagged or anything. So I am waiting to post it onto YouTube. But if I end up doing that, there will be like a 2 to 3, well, actually, we've switched it to 3 hours. If you weren't, you should go watch the VOD. You should just go watch the VOD so that you can kind of catch up on all the things that have kind of like unfolded. But I think we're going to switch to 2 p.m. Eastern. So whatever the time is for you. Also on my Twitch channel, I have a schedule tab. So there will be like all these different tabs like about me and whatever. One of the tabs is schedule. And so you'll be able to see all the schedules, all the things in there. But it's literally just Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. And so I think we're going to try like 3 hours because it felt like we chatted for like an hour to start. We talked for an hour. So then and only an hour to like Tuft. I don't know. I would like to be able to chat for an hour because that felt like natural and fun and nice. That was nice. Okay. I want to continue doing that. And then that way we'll have like a couple of hours to do some tufting. So yeah, we'll be starting at 2 p.m. Eastern. We are going to continue the schedule as planned. So that means hopefully you're watching this on Thursday, right? I'm sorry, I feel like this is going to be a shorter video. Again, this is going to be like a little bit of a transition period of weaving in the streams. Oh, I need to finish my thought. If I upload every VOD, there will be a VOD posted to my YouTube channel 3 days a week. And then if I kept up with these types of videos, the sort of like vlog style with the 2 a week, there would be a video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know that I'll be able to, for sure could do the VODs because that's just like a click of a button. Oh, also, Quirky Geek. I did want to also say thank you so much for your comment on telling me like perfect directions on how to like turn on VODs and be able to export them to YouTube. The VODs will be easy to be able to just, you know, do the stream and then upload the VOD. I think I'm just gonna have to, you know, just find my groove in filming some stuff, you know, on off days for the stream and also on days for the stream, just a little bit of filming on stream days and then, you know, a good chunk of this sort of like vlog style filming on off days for the stream. And then I think that'll be good. So what do y'all think about like 5 videos a week? I don't know. That could be great. YouTube might really like that. And it'll be cool so that y'all that can't get over on Twitch or don't have like a Twitch account. I don't think you actually have to have a Twitch account to watch the VODs, right? It's just if you wanted to like actually go and be in the live stream and chat with me. I think you'd obviously have to have a username and stuff and have like an account, but I know some of y'all really wanted me to upload the VODs to YouTube. So I can absolutely do that once I get the okay from ChillHop. So I emailed them yesterday. So we'll find out soon, hopefully. So excited. I haven't felt this way since I started my YouTube channel. I'm not even gonna lie. Like when I started my YouTube channel, I felt like I was like What am I doing? Me? What am I doing? And that's exactly how I feel right now. I feel like this was something dormant in me that just had to be real. So anyway, I'm really excited to continue streaming. I hope that y'all can make it to a live one sometime because they're really fun and like really chatty, and I love answering y'all's questions. And y'all have already named the skeleton in the closet. His name is Bob. I don't know why. You know, we were talking about how much I love mayonnaise and how much y'all hate mayonnaise. Some of you are also mayonnaise lovers. Anyway, it's just fun. It was so fun and just so natural, and it felt like I was talking to my friends. And I know that that's such a weird like parasocial thing that I don't want to like, you know, continue, but it really does just feel like that sometimes. I don't know. It was cool. So if you would like to join a live stream sometime, I would really enjoy that as well. Hopefully now that you search me on Twitch, you'll be able to find me because I've actually streamed. Who knows though, but I just honestly feel like I'm so proud of myself because this is so far out of my comfort zone, and I just did it. I finally did it. And it feels really good. You know, I'm a person with certain things like social anxiety and stuff, but my mind is always like, I feel like I'm always challenging the person that I am and the things that like try to hold me back. And it's cool that y'all are along for the ride. And so many of y'all showed up. What? Oh my god. I can't wait to start playing games with y'all because I feel like that's where it's going to get silly goofy. I mean, we're already there, but yeah, it was so great. If you made it to the live stream, thank you so much for being there. I hope to see you tomorrow on Friday, and then Monday and Tuesday, and oh no, not Tuesday. Well, I'll see you here on Tuesday. Shut up. I'll see you on the stream Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, whenever you can make it. If you can't make it, that's totally okay. But yeah, yesterday we made some progress. Look how tiny bit of progress we made. It's because we were chatting. It's because we were talking the whole time. And I'm not even mad about it. But yeah, we made this progress of green grass. Originally, I was like 2 hours, I'm gonna be done with this. And normally I would have been, but I was like 2 hour stream, this is gonna be done. No. Definitely not. So anyway, I think I'm going to end this video because I've got nothing else to say besides it was really cool. And thank you so much for being there. And if you can't ever make it and you only watch the VODs on YouTube or on Twitch, I still appreciate you so much. So thank you so much to all the VOD watchers. Anyway, I am going to end this video here. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thank y'all so much for your support and constantly showing up for me. I don't know what I did to deserve I was such a supportive group of people. It's amazing and really cool. And I want to do everything for you. I want to give everything to you. You know, I am so grateful. Anyway, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Go check out my Twitch channel now. You can go follow over there to keep up and hopefully get notifications. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you were there or if you watched the VOD after. Let me know what you thought. You can follow me in all these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. So hopefully you can search me this time. But I will have everything linked down in the description. I love y'all. The absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.